This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Nasolife PD Nasal Drops is a pediatric nasal drop designed for effective relief from nasal congestion. Indications and uses. This formulation is primarily used for alleviating nasal congestion caused by conditions like common colds, sinusitis, and allergic rhinitis. It works by reducing excessive nasal secretions and swelling in the nasal passages, providing temporary relief from discomfort and restoring normal breathing. How it works. The drops work by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passage, which helps reduce swelling and allows air to pass through more freely. Directions for use. Always follow the physician's instructions when using the drops. For application, gently instill 1 to 2 drops into each nostril, 1 or 2 times a day. After use, clean the dropper to avoid contamination and do not use the drops for more than 7 consecutive days without consulting a doctor. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include irritation or a burning sensation after application, along with nasal dryness. If these symptoms worsen, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when using this medication, especially in individuals with heart disease, diabetes, or other pre-existing health conditions. It is also important to consult a doctor before use in children aged 6 and under, and to avoid using the drops if allergic to xylometazoline. FAQs. 1. What is the use of these nasal drops? They relieve nasal congestion. 2. Can they be used daily? Only for the duration prescribed by a doctor, not exceeding 7 days. 3. Are they safe? Yes, generally well tolerated, but may cause local irritation. 4. What are the common side effects? Typically include nasal dryness and irritation. 5. Can they be used in children? Yes, but only with a doctor's advice for those over 6 years old. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below.